can you explain me what is the GATE score range for different universities, like different IITs and NITs?
See, like for if you are from mechanical, na, so if you have 800 plus, so you will be getting old branches from IITs. 800 plus means the more you have, the more you have getting a chance to get selected in the prior round only, COP round 1, 2 only. Like if you have 850 plus or 9 around 850 plus now, so all the old IITs like Bombay, Madras or Kanpur, you will be having chance of getting core branches. Okay. If you have 750 above, then there is a chance of getting international branches like material science is there, or this branch is like environment, energy engineering branches there. So these are the chances you will be getting, or aerospace engineering also for MTech program. Okay, and if you have 650 above, so there are in like mid IITs, na, like if you are talking about IIT Goa, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Indore, and all this IIT Jodhpur and IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Bhilai. So here will be having good chances of getting for MTech program. I'm saying, okay. For NITI Mumbai is around 750 plus only for getting admission, around 750 plus or somewhat nearly like that. If you have more GATE score now, then you will be having more lot of options. Like some top branches are there, like IUR from IIT Bombay or IME, IIT Kanpur. Here the GATE score is about 850 only, around 850 only. The cutoff score goes. Okay.
What is
from
this
general
RUI?
category, these are
You were saying
IUR is in Industrial Engineering Operation Research is a branch like in IIT Bombay, one of the best branch for getting placement perspective also, and it's very good for future perspective also. And there is one more branch in IIT Kanpur, Industrial Management Engineering, IME, same like IIT Delhi also. It's a combination of MBA plus like engineering, industrial engineering branch.
Okay, they will be getting some managing courses also. MBA courses.
Yeah, it's somewhat will be that only, like operation, supply chain, logistics. Actually, see what happened in mechanical now, the placement is very less in core branches. So what people do now, they shift their career to this branch like industrial engineering management or data science branch or somewhat related that only to get placed in top companies, or at least get placed. Okay, because what happened now, if you take admission in the new IITs, okay, very new IITs, you might won't get placement. So what people do, they either take for admission in old IITs international branch, they prepare for non-core jobs, because in old IIT central placement is there. So even if you prepare for non-core and you will be getting placement in any of the branch, any of the industries non-core profile like a data scientist in finance, banking sector, all this sector. So there is high possibilities there. So these are the one option what majorly people do. Even if you have moderate GATE score, you can take old IITs international branch, prepare for non-core job and get into. If you have very good GATE score, you should try for IUR branch or any branch which are getting very good placement. NITI Mumbai also is a very good one. 100% placement is there, and internship is also there. And if you have very low GATE score, like if you have moderate or low GATE score, below 500, you should try for MTech research program, NIT Surathkal, because what happened, at that low GATE score, so you will be having a chance of getting to learn from to study from top NITs, because last year many people with very less GATE score, they had applied for NIT Surathkal MTech research, and they finally give their interview and then they got selected. So this is one of the best options, because for regular CCMT it requires 650 or 600 around that GATE score range. But if you have below 500 also, you can apply for various branches like mechatronics or data science or any mechanical branch in NIT Surathkal MTech research. So this is there are opportunities. Even you can go for like some private colleges also there, very good. Like BITS Plan is also a good one. Pursuing a master's. Yeah, it's also a good one. So even if you didn't appear for GATE for any reason or very low GATE score, just you have passed out, you just crack the GATE at the border only, you can appear for these exams.
I hope this NIT Surathkal and BITS Pilani, these universities are equally as competitive as IITs. They are not bad. They are very good actually.
Yeah, very reputed also, like much better than second generation IITs, because they're old also. See, the any institute depends not depend upon tag also, but depend upon the faculty also, depend upon NIRF ranking, depend upon the academic alumni network also. So what happened now, the BITS Planning have wider alumni network. They are very good old colleges also.
So Ansari, in perspective of this placements for mechanical engineering, So what exactly do you suggest, like a student having average GATE score of about 600 or 700, which IITs he need to choose?
See, first of all, if they have average GATE score now, so either they have to see now they have 600 to 700 GATE score. It means that person wouldn't be getting any all IITs top branches. Okay, now what option he or she have left?
All
Like
IITs
either
in the sense, this IIT Kharagpur, IIT like Kanpur, these IITs you mean? All IITs in the sense.
yeah, all IITs means in simple those IIT which are conducting GATE exam. Like 7 IITs are there, like Bombay,
Okay,
Delhi,
top
Madras,
7.
Kanpur, Kharagpur, Guwahati, Roorkee.
Okay, top 7.
Yeah,
Okay.
top 7, which are
Okay.
conducting GATE exams every year. Plus
Okay.
IISc Bangalore. These are very much prominent IITs. Okay, so if they have any candidate have a moderate GATE score like between 600 to 700, what it means like that person won't be getting any top branches in all IITs. Okay, all these.
Okay.
Even IIT Hyderabad also, that person won't be getting, okay, because IIT Hyderabad is equally good only one placement perspective. So that person either he or she have two chance, two two ways.
Categories.
Like
Yeah.
first, two categories. The first one is he or she can take any interdisciplinary branch. Interdisciplinary branch means climate science or environment engineering or any material science or any branch which is interdisciplinary which has very low GATE score, like in that
Okay.
range. But the thing is, if we are going to that branch now, like IIT Bombay have Sitara branch or education technology, these are some interdisciplinary branch which are related to social science or social service. Even IIT Guwahati have this one energy science branch, CRT Center for Rural Technology. IIT Roorkee have this some disaster management, all the material science, somewhat related to these branches now. So a candidate can take this branch and prepare for non-core job. Okay, like data science or artificial intelligence. All these are not from the beginning only. The only
not core mechanical jobs.
No, core mechanical job not. Okay, so here lots of in that IIT's number of companies will come. Okay, for placement.
Okay.
So that person can appear for the interview and get into non-core job. This is one option which generally people do, like they get into all IITs to get number of openings, okay, so that they can sit for the number of companies. This is one way. Second one is that person can take NIT also, because in NIT also there are some good colleges are there, like some top NIT, Trichy, Surathkal, Warangal. If that person is getting these branches, like mechatronics is a good one in NIT Surathkal. Data science is also good one in NIT Surathkal. Trichy also industrial automation branch is there. That's also good. Or any branch if you're getting this old NITs now, then also that person can go for non-core job. In mid IITs also there are some branches are there, some good like IIT Hyderabad a very good program like smart mobilities around 700 or near what GATE score one can get. Okay, these are the some IITs one can get job, but if 6 to 700, that person, if that person want into core job or not core job, that person can take any IIT in the mid region, like from IIT Jodhpur, IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Bhilai, all these NIT, new IITs. That in that NIT, the person will get core branches. Okay, core branches the person will get. So taking core branches, that person job opportunities will be very less. So what the person have to find the job from their own, like through LinkedIn or through any other means, like through senior contact or any other means.
He has to find himself.
That person can try himself.
Yeah.
Or else taking that core branch, that person can prepare and appear for non-core job.
Good.
One more important thing, that person can apply for MS program also. Between 650 above or 6 to 700 GATE score range now, that person have very good chance of getting getting call from MS program, especially IIT Madras. Like in IIT Madras, if you have 650 plus GATE score, you will be having a chance of getting call from different branches. Also, placement is also very good in IIT Madras, top IIT. So the person can apply even for IIT Kanpur also for MS program, aerospace engineering or material science. That person will be getting call. Or there is one branch is MDS branch is a Master of Design. One course is an IIT Kanpur. That person can apply in this because interview is there. Actually, in this IIT's MS program or the special branches, interview is there. So the weightage for selection while selecting now. So along with GATE score, interview weightage is also there. So if the person perform an interview, the person will get selected.